Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trendseeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first one looks like it is definitely going to be my personal aesthetic. We got some black here, some candles, candle holders. Okay, so they stacked the candle holders, glued them together. And then they go in with the spray paint. Now you could leave this like how it was. I did like the initial color, but they ended up spray painting it like a matte black and then putting in some sand. And really just making a nice candle holder here. Oh, that's pretty. You know what? I think they should have left it clear though, because you would have been able to see the sand a little bit more. I don't know. What do you guys think? It's pretty, but you know, I just thought it was cool how they had the black sand and everything, and if they had left it clear, you would have been able to see it. So we're back at the dollar store. Now, what are these called? Like a wall hanger? Oh, they're what you use to like hang your coat? I don't know. So they have a bowl here. Obviously, they're probably gonna paint this part black. Oh, they're making like a wall sconce. So they put the little puck light in there. I wonder if you can get this from the dollar store now. Oh, wow, that is very clever. Now from far away, this looks magnificent. Up close, I don't know if it would look all that great, but I think they did a good job on that. And they did one on both sides. Actually, you know what? This looks really cool. Okay, how did you paint? Acrylic paint and baking soda. That's like the infamous TikTok hack of today. So it looks like she's painting a record. She must be making like that ruffled bowl trend that we see on TikTok sometimes. Okay, so yeah, that's how it looks not painted and then how it looks painted. That's pretty. Beautiful ruffled bowl, and you can just use that for like your little knickknacks, putting your keys in when you come into the house. Oh, we got another bowls inspired DIY. So this one is going to feature some gold. she's just kind of placing the gold foil on top of the bowl. I feel like every time I see this particular product, the gold foil, I'm like, this looks like it's so much fun to work with. Like, does anyone else have that thought? Oh, that is so beautiful. I love how it's like kind of cracked and warped. That's pretty. Like, it doesn't look perfect. It just, oh, and it just got the little white and gold pumpkins. Oh, this is definitely my vibe and aesthetic. That is so cute. I actually have something similar. The way I do my pumpkins. Oh, I really like this black velvet one. Oh, that is so beautiful. Yeah, me and this girl definitely have the same taste. Because, like, I have the black and white candle. Even the black pampas grass. Like, that is hilarious to me. Picked it up from Home Goods. Yeah, the coasters. Yeah, we definitely have the same aesthetic. She even has, like, the... Is this a... Yep, it's a bar cart. That's funny. When you meet your designer twin. But I definitely can't craft up DIYs like that. I wish I could. So here we have some type of mug here. Storage basket. Several different sizes within it. Some shells. I think they're just showing us products. I don't think they're making anything. I think they're just showing us stuff that you can get from the store. Bamboo bath tray. Or extendable bath tray. Well, what is that? Christmas decor? Okay, those are the little lamps. We saw that in another video. Yeah, they're just showing us random products. Why do I feel like this photo frame is like beautiful with what they already have inside of it? Like, I would hang that up. Candle holders. Action has some truly beautiful pieces though. I wish they had one in the States, or at least where I live. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out this video with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.